The mission of Other Machine Company resonates with me because being a person who's from rural Arkansas, I got kind of where I am today by learning how to build things and learning how to problem solve. Other Machine Company started because of an education project. We wanted to build desktop-sized manufacturing tools for the classroom and pair that with software that would make the machines easier to use. The reason why that was important is right now not very many people have access to those kinds of technologies, so we wanted to dramatically increase the level of access to professional quality tools. The OtherMill Pro is what's known as a desktop milling machine, and it's computer controlled, so you have a design file on a computer, and the milling machine uses a very sharp cutting tool that's rotating really fast to move through a material that you put in there. So maybe aluminum or wood or plastic. You put a block in, you have a file on your computer, and the machine follows that file and gives you the part that you wanted. Besides electronics, people are making mechanical parts out of aluminum. Anything that's small and high precision, and where precision really matters and the type of material you're using really matters, you can't really use a 3D printer, so people use a milling machine, and that can be, there's everything from biomed to jewelry to people doing work with RC cars. It's a huge spectrum, so anything small and precise, that's what the OtherMill Pro is for. One of the unintentional but really positive ways that I see our product impacting society is that there's a lot more women that use this machine, and I'm a little bit biased as a female engineer, but when you take technology and you bring it out of the places where it traditionally is, like a machine shop or an engineering firm, and you put it everywhere, a much more diverse group of people is going to interact with it. Berkeley is great because there's a lot of resources here when it comes to people and schools. There's the National Lab, there's the university, there's technical colleges, and there's also an ecosystem for manufacturing which doesn't exist in the same way in other places. We have a lot of regional manufacturing done for the OtherMill Pro, and in fact 80% of the bill of materials for this product is from the United States. And by moving to Berkeley, we got closer to all of our manufacturing partners, and we also moved closer to our people. So all of our employees, most of them were already living in the East Bay. When I moved to Berkeley, I not only moved my business, but moved my family to Berkeley. And what I found in the time that we've been here is that it is not too much of anything. It's not too urban or too industrial or too suburban or anything. It's just a great blend that I think is pretty rare. And for me as a mom, and my kid's 11, the school system is really, really important. It's been kind of an unknown blessing that it's just so pleasant to be here.